Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. And in this video we'll be talking about lesson notes. Now the logged in member is Oteejay. She happens to be a teacher in the school system and will be using her portfolio as the SS2A math teacher to view or create lesson notes. Now when we click on this particular menu item, SS2A mathematics, on this particular interface, on this particular navbar, navigation, we have access to the lesson notes interface, and when we click on the lesson notes, we'll be given this particular form which you can fill to create a lesson note. We input the title of the lesson note, we state the particular week the lesson note is going to be used and the period in the week that the lesson note is written from. Now we select the topic, that's the topic of the lesson note, and we also upload a document there for the lesson notes. We can say that this is nutrition, and we can look nutrition. You can select that as an item there. Okay, then you can state that this is nutrition. State that is the second week and is the first period of the second week, and that is the topic is going to be SS2 series and progression, and save that. It's going to upload this document. It has uploaded it. Now it says that one of the lesson notes now is nutrition. The title is nutrition. Is second week. The lesson is going to be used in the second week. The period is the first period in that week. The topic is for series and progression, and the topic is treating. That's the umbrella topic. All of the document file uploaded is this, and the last modified by Imagery active. Now these are the detail of the lesson notes we just uploaded. We can edit it by using this particular, clicking on this particular button. We'll have access to edit it, and we can click on these two. These are the current lesson notes that have been prepared by Imagery, and we'll have that this one is nutrition, this one is bone replacement, this one is caricature imagery. Now when we click on this caricature imagery, you can see that the document file was not uploaded. We can see the detail of it, and we can see how it has been changed over time, and that is update record, history of it. While the title was changed from caricature to caricature imagery. Now if we go back to that particular interface, we'll have access to seeing those let's say we'll open it in new tab, and we'll have access to, okay, let's cancel this one and use another one. Let's use this one, open it in new tab. That's for bone replacement. Now if we open it in new tab, we'll have access to viewing the lesson notes that was uploaded. Now all these lesson notes will be accessible to the students in those in SS2A Alpha Mathematics. Those students will have access to this lesson note, and they can use it to prepare for the class, or use it maybe after the class to prepare for the exam. This becomes the lesson note is still loading because it is a little bit big. We can also go a little further to explain that this topic here, try to actually group them into, is like this one title is a subdivision of the topic. This is the umbrella body of the title. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in this next tutorial, and thank you for checking out this tutorial.